Hello, viewers. You're welcome to this amazing channel where I'll be bringing your way opportunities that can get you extra income into your bank account without having to leave the comfort of your home. Perhaps you are a stay at home mom, you are a student, or you even have your 9 to 5 job, or you need something to get you extra money. This is the right channel to be. So if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I post amazing video like this, you can be one of the first people to be notified by YouTube, so you can quickly harness the opportunity, take advantage of it before other people get to know about it. If this sounds like what you would like to hear, come on, join me in this video as we begin. Now, this day I'll be bringing to you an opportunity from CAS Information System, and which is Utility Invoice Processor data entry remote. This opportunity is absolutely a remote opportunity. That means you can be anywhere in the world, from any country, maybe India, whichever country you are from. You can take advantage of this opportunity without leaving the comfort of your home. So let's go right into the description of this opportunity. The utility invoice processor operates a computer entering data accurately to initiate the payment and reporting process. What are the duties and responsibilities you are expected to carry out? Number one, you operate a personal computer. You must understand the basic utility billing concepts and terms necessary for proper data entry. Logically plans workday by understanding and following up priorities. Performs entry duties in accordance with proper time, quality standard routine. Practices good data entry and workstation habits, including postures. Maintain procedures, works overtime as requested by management to ensure timely completion of accounts. Then you perform other duties as assigned by management. Now let's get into the requirements for this opportunity. Number one is ability to type 8,000 words per hour. Ability to grasp and retain instruction, as well as utilize good decision-making skills. High level of concentration, self-motivated, accuracy, attention to detail, high school diploma or equivalent required, specialized training in keyboarding or prior keyboard experience. So you can see there are no stated number of years of experience needed for this opportunity, which makes it amazing. So you don't require a number of years of data entry experience before you get into this opportunity. Now let's apply. So you come right up and you click on the apply button. It's loading. So this opportunity is a great one. I would like you to take advantage of it as quickly as you can. It takes us to this page where you can register. This company wants you to register with them so they can get in touch with you. So you enter your first name, your last name, your email, your password, then your phone number. After registration, you submit your resume and they will get in touch with you. And this brings us to the end of this video. If this video has been useful to you, I want you to give me a thumbs up. I will really appreciate that. It will encourage me to put up new and better opportunities. Thank you, viewers. Bye.